Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin by confirming network and permissions. Make sure the Skyworth TV is on, connected to the same Wi-Fi as your phone, and firmware is current. On the TV, open settings and enable screen mirroring or mirrorcast. This makes the TV discoverable. On your phone or laptop, open the cast or screen mirroring control and scan for devices. Once you see the Skyworth model name, tap it to request a connection. Wait for the TV to accept the pairing. Once paired, accept the incoming connection prompt on your Skyworth TV. If a PIN appears, type it on your device to verify. After connected, navigate the TV's display settings to set aspect ratio and resolution for best clarity. Choose 16:9 for most phones. Make sure audio output is set to TV speakers or external system as you prefer. If video stutters, lower resolution or move devices closer to the router. Now you can play apps, mirror presentations, or stream video from your device. To end, stop casting from your device and turn off screen mirroring on the Skyworth TV to free the network. If the connection drops or lags, restart the TV, your phone, and the router. Make sure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi band or try switching from 4 GHz to 5 GHz for less interference. If wireless remains unstable, use an HDMI adapter or a wired Chromecast alternative for reliable video. One helpful tip.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.